Hello, guys. A very happy new year to you. Sorry, a very happy Diwali to you. A very happy Samvat to you. This is 2008 one, and the markets have given a very big thumbs up. So it's a very happy new year. And I just look at the stock market. I'm watching on a television. So the Sensex is up about 400 points. This Muhurat trading is going on. Okay, so this is only for 1 hour. Okay, and it is Nifty is finally above that 24,300 mark. It's 123 points up. Okay, so I have already bought. I just kind of did my Muhurat trading, and then I started doing this live. So bottoms up approach is needed in this somewhat. You must have watched a lot of programs and what to do in this somewhat and what not to do. So a little crux of it is that I'm not going to tell you some any stocks here. You might have figured out, and if you're watching this live later on, so probably you can see Vodafone is up. Vodafone is doing very well in this Muhurat trading, and also this last somewhat was very good. It has kind of given 22 to 23% Nifty has given. So we are hoping this new somewhat will also be good, but yes, you can expect this correction to continue for some more time, and it is a healthy correction. This was needed, and there was a lot of froth accumulated, and also valuations were just going sky high. Okay, so this was a needed. This correction was a needed correction. So this is likely to continue for some time. But mota moti baat ye hai. The main points are that you know. India and US, these are the two economies. US elections is like on 4th November, so that we are keenly watching. But still, there are two economies in the world which are going strength to strength, which is India and US. So Indian growth story is likely to continue, but this correction was needed. I'm also watching, live this on the television. Uh, this Muhurat trading, how is it going? What is the market doing? So what motamoti it is like that you have to be prepared for some thanda kind of market, but this is definitely a very healthy thing, and this gives you an opportunity to enter, as I always say in all my lives, which goes like in a circle. So this circle is currently, this is the entry point for people who have not still entered the market. For them it is a good entry point. So bottoms up approach is needed, A, and B. Indian story is definitely not over. You cannot expect the returns the last year, at least in the beginning. Okay, so gradually the market can gather steam. So this is the time to enter the market. Now I'm not saying today abhi kar lo, but on Monday aram se you can sit and figure out whatever stocks and all that. And also there are certain themes. Actually, most of the experts that I've listened to, they've kind of agreed that the mid cap, the small cap story is definitely not over. And actually, there are many mid cap and small cap companies which have actually given good returns than the large cap stocks. Large caps were back with a bang. They will be always back in the bank. But the Nestle's and the HULs and all, with no offense to them, they are very good stocks. They can't give you that kind of return because they are already there. Okay, so you have to find and search for the gems, in the mid cap story. And also, I'll tell you one thing. The headline of the Nifty companies is that most of the companies, their earnings have so far been are not that good and all that. But there are companies, if you see, which are getting good. The NBCC is also up in this Muhurat trading. There are some companies which have decent earnings. So you can pick and choose those companies which have good fundamentals, which have good earnings. This has been the approach always, but in such a market, definitely it is an approach. So also this frenzy around defense and railway, this is likely to continue for more time, but now this will be towards the ancillaries to the stocks that are related to the RVNLs and the main stocks. उनके अलावा उससे जुड़े जो स्टॉक्स हैं, आई मेक अ वीडियो ऑन द लिस्ट ऑफ द स्टॉक्स in the coming week. I'll do that. Those stocks are now likely to get the scheme because the headline thing will be BEL हो गया, Mazgound or Garden Reach. They've already kind of hit, the turf, hit the sky. So now the frenzy will shift to the stocks which are related to the ancillaries, which are contributing to these stocks like auto ancillaries and all. So I'll make a detailed video because I'm also, this is a short video because I thought I'll do this live on this Muhurat trading because I'm happy to see that the market is in green on this Muhurat trading. Okay, so you have to be careful when you're picking up the stock, and also watch for the fundamentals. Watch for the fundamentals and the stocks. There are so many stocks. Actually, I'm kind of tempted to name some of the stocks, but I'm not allowed to. I'll make a long authorized video on this, and then so follow the channel. And yes, I just wanted to say this, that the Indian stock market is likely, like I was listening to Ramdev Agarwal, and he's saying that in the next, 3 years or something, this market is likely to double. So now, when I tell people to enter when the market is down, they are like, oh, abhi to ghata hai, abhi to ye. And when it goes up, then they are like, oh, now it is high. So when will you enter? So there is nothing like timing the market. Okay. So I'm talking about the mentality. There are behavioral things which an investor goes through. So that is what is important. When the market is down, see, you have to take your chances. It's right. You know, it's the market is like, speculation and all that. So you can't take that out of it. Risk to hai. But so don't put your bread and butter money, but start investing and please enter with the market. Now, abhi today it is up. The market is up, and even Nifty Bank is up. So when the market is a little down, pick up those stocks which have good fundamentals and just start investing. So I'll catch you. I'll soon make that video. I'll make I do a live. Actually, video I can write and edit it. Lives I can't do that. And also I would be soon, I'm giving a NISM exam. After that I would be authorized to suggest stocks. There's so many stocks which are actually out of the limelight, and they're really doing very well. Okay, most of the stocks which I am watching, they are actually up today in this Mahura trading. It's very nice to see the green screen. Okay, so I'll see you again, and I'll make that video, I promise. And happy Mahuru trading, happy Diwali, happy new Samvat. May this Samvat bring lots of prosperity, lots of patakas going on. I'm in Bangalore, okay? I'm not in Delhi, so firecrackers are allowed here. So lots of joy, lots of happiness, lots of wealth to everyone. And yes, continue your sips. They have contributed majorly to this market run, the amazing run that our market has seen despite of so many hurdles and hiccups. And this week, the coming week is also having a lot of hiccups. US election hai, US jobs data hai, and there are more things, and of course earnings are coming. So yeah, I'll see you in my next live, and happy Muhurut trading, and bye bye, take care.